troubleshooting a slow or unresponsive LG phone screen. If the screen on your LG phone has become slow or unresponsive, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take that may resolve the issue. Here's what to do. First, turn off the phone and wait 1 to 2 minutes, then turn it back on. Doing this may be all that is required to restore normal screen operation. If that does not fix the issue, try this. If your phone has a removable battery, turn the phone off. Remove the back cover and take out the battery. Wait for 1 minute, then reassemble the phone and power it back on. If the screen issue persists, check the phone memory space. Tap Settings and select Storage. Here you will see the amount of usage on the internal storage. Now let's free up internal storage space. To do this, tap Settings. Select Storage, then Free Up Space. Now select Temporary Files and Raw Files and press Cache Data, then Delete. If freeing up internal storage space does not resolve the screen issue, try Safe Mode. Note that when you turn on Safe Mode, the phone will restart, but certain apps will be unavailable. When you restart the phone again, Safe Mode will be turned off and the apps will be available. To turn on Safe Mode, while the phone is powered on, press and hold the power button. In the pop-up menu, press and hold the power off option until the Safe Mode option appears. Then press Turn on Safe Mode. After you have performed these troubleshooting steps, if the screen is still slow or unresponsive, the phone may require carrier updates, LG software updates, or a reset to original factory specifications. For instructions, please refer to our software updates video or factory data reset video linked in the description. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, you can go to lgmobilerepair.com or call LG Customer Service to submit a repair authorization or RA to have your phone sent in to be inspected and repaired. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.